First, visit iReaShare.com and head to the Android Manager page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the iReaShare Android Manager installer to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once finished, click Finish to close setup. Run the software on your computer, then you will see this main interface. Connect your Android device to the computer via USB cable. The software will quickly recognize your Android device. If prompted, please click OK or Allow on your Android device to make sure the connection is established. After successfully connecting, all the data on your Android device will be displayed by categories in the interface. Click SMS, then all the text messages on your Android device will be displayed on the right interface. You can scroll down to preview all the text messages in detail. Tick off the text message you want to delete, then click the Delete button. Set iReaShare Android Manager as your default SMS app on your Android device's pop-up window. After that, set your default SMS app back and click OK.